Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Kia Forté windshield wipers, only ways. Park on level ground and turn ignition off. Lift the wiper arm carefully and hold it away from the glass. Locate and press the release tab on the old blade, then slide the blade downward to unhook it. Align the new blade adapter with the arm hook, push until it clicks, and lower the arm slowly to avoid cracking the windshield. Start by gathering a soft cloth, the replacement blade sized for your model, and gloves. Open the hood to check wiper arm tension only if needed. Remove debris from the glass before lifting arms. When removing the old blade, support the arm to prevent it snapping back. Inspect the rubber edge and adapter for damage and align new blade so the hook secures properly before testing strokes across the wet windshield. Hey friends, if this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make post-install cleanup easier and keep your snacks secure. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and resist stains. Check the description for the link and other deals on tools and car care. You'll see the link there. Thanks for supporting the channel, it really helps. Now let's get back to the video. After installation, test both wipers on a wet windshield at low and high speeds. Check for streaks, skipping, or chatter and reseat the blade if necessary. Replace blades every 12 months or when rubber hardens or tears. Clean the blades monthly with mild soap and water to remove grit that causes wear. Ensure washer fluid is topped up to help clear debris, and avoid using wipers on a dry windshield to preserve rubber life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.